accumulations of snow, sleet, and freezing rain are expected across the area. Please see the warning and advisory products for more information. Isolated thunderstorms are possible today along with the winter weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotters are encouraged to report precipitation types and accumulations to the National Weather Service in St. Louis. A winter storm warning remains in effect until midnight tonight. Precipitation will overspread the area this morning and become heavy at times during the day, before tapering off by evening. Precipitation is expected to begin as mostly snow, mixed with sleet and freezing rain during the day, and taper off as freezing drizzle during the evening. Accumulations. Snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches, along with the light glazing of ice. The higher snowfall amounts will tend to occur north of Interstate 70. Wind. Or at times this afternoon. Other impacts. Freezing drizzle may mix in at times this evening. A winter storm warning for heavy snow and sleet means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. A winter storm warning for heavy snow, sleet and freezing rain remains in effect until midnight tonight. Timing, late this morning through this evening. The heaviest precipitation will occur this afternoon with sleet and freezing rain possibly mixing in. Snow/ice accumulations. Snow and sleet accumulations of 8 to 12 inches. Ice accumulations less than 1/10 of an inch possible this afternoon. The highest snow totals will be along and north of Interstate 70, with the highest ice totals to the south of Interstate 70. Impacts. Heavy snow, sleet and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel.